Hi everyone. So we have been receiving quite a lot of interests and questions on how you can edit email template in Canva and send using Keplars. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can edit an email from scratch, or you can reuse the templates in Canva. So we are on Canva website. Under templates, select email, and here you can see a lot of email templates. Let's use this template, customize this template. Okay, so we are editing this header part. So you can see this is a background. We're going to change it. So here are our uploads. I have an image already created as a background, so you can have your own. I'm going to replace it here. Right click on it and set image as the background. I'm going to delete this overlay. So now you can edit this background as per your requirements, as you want it. What you need to do is click on edit image, and here you have a lot of tools and filters and everything. I'm going to click on adjust, and we're going to flip it horizontally. I know this is a totally design editing session, so yeah, it will be quick. I'm going to save it. In the header is going to be the same process of editing it. I'm going to change the title. So this will be my title. I'm going to reduce the font size. I'm going to use my font family, which we are using as one of our primary fonts, and that is Meriwether for Keplars. Import our logo here. Now we have this. Just reduce the size, and this image is also I need to replace. You can replace it or you can completely remove it. It depends on your how you want the email template to look. Okay, for duplicating you just need to duplicate this. So from here you can adjust the line spacing, whichever way you like to edit. It's your email template. Okay, I'm just going to make this section, this 4 sections fast. This whole section I'm going to change the color, background color. Now what I love about Canva is their animations. So let's just go to elements, and I'm going to choose this one for this first box. So here we have used all the 4 animations like this. I'm just going to change the texts here. Everything you need is already in Keplars, as you might be knowing it. Design beautiful welcome emails with a visual editor. Automate them with customer journeys and track performance, all from your Keplars dashboard. I hope you must be knowing it, and if you don't know it still, check out our previous videos. Okay, so this section I'm going to delete it, as I will bring an image here. Duplicate section, and yes, we have it. Keep the email simple. We'll change the font to enter again. I'm going to include a button in this section. So here in the elements you will find buttons under categories. To YouTube, I'm just restyling the button. I want this button to be in this above container, so I'm just increasing this padding and moving this inside. Include our logo here. I'm just going to download this. Here, click share and click on download button. HTML and images, this option will be selected, and download. Now we will go to our Keplars dashboard and here in new templates we will import the zip. Okay, it's importing. So yes, here we have got our Canva template, exactly same as we have designed. I'll just give our unsubscribe link here. You can give whatever the links you have and just change the link here. So, yeah. Now I will go to settings, change the subject name and save this, and I will save this email template. Now let's go again and send a test. So let's send a test email to this. Okay, and yes, we have our email here. It's exactly as we have designed. The button is yeah, and we have here view in browser, which you can click and view in browser. You can share this preview, and yeah, so this is how you can edit your template in Canva and send using Keplars. I hope you enjoyed this video, and yep, keep watching and keep using Keplars.